The door installation process is long overdue for innovation. As things stand, an install may take 2 installers. You might lean the door up against the wall, potentially damaging the paint job, and typically you level and square the door using shims. Although this method works, the process is more tedious, labor-intensive, and prone to error than it needs to be. Introducing the door stud. The door stud makes it easy for one person to transport the door. It enables the installer to leave the door standing on its own without risk of damaging nearby walls, and paired with the quick door hanger, the door stud enables the installer to fully level, square, and install the door without shims. After installation, the door stud is easily removed and stored with the rest of your tools. Add the door stud to your bag to make your next install simpler, easier, and more effortless.